Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Huda Beauty Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub Wishful Scrub. I know I'm very late to review this, but I really wanted to include a physical exfoliator in my skincare regime, in my skincare routine every day. And I know that exfoliators cannot be used every day, so I wanted a chemical exfoliator which would change my skincare game. And I have heard people raving about Huda Beauty Wishful Scrub, and I wanted to give this a shot. I got the smallest size of this one. I think this is the smallest one. I thought to give it a try. Now I've been trying this for 3 weeks and I've used this 3 times on my skin until now, and I'm going to tell you everything that I have noticed and the differences that it brought to my skin, or if it brought any changes or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. So Huda Beauty Yo Glow Enzyme Wishful Scrub comes in 3 different sizes, and it retails for 1850 rupees for 40 ml of product, 3400 rupees for 100 ml of product, and 5500 rupees for 200 ml of product. Let me show you the packaging of the product. So it comes in a cardboard box like this, and this is how the outer packaging of the product is. It's a white cardboard box which says Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, and this part of the box contains how to use the directions to use the product, and this part of the box contains the ingredient list of the product, what all ingredients are present in this one, and the import details, the manufacturing date, the expiry date, the net weight, the price, and all of that is present here if you can see. And this is the normal simple detail about this Huda Beauty scrub, just the names and all of that thing. And this is how the inner packaging of the product is like. It's a plastic or silicone sort of tube which is very thick material something, and it says Wishful. It has got a cap here. This is a white cap which you roll and squeeze the product out, and this part has got the net weight details, the expiry date, the manufacturing date, and all of that, which is a very good part because you can see the expiry date of the product from here. So because I got the 40 ml wala tube, the MRP is 1850 rupees, which is mentioned here. The manufacturing date says June 2020 and expiry date says June 2023. The shelf life of these products are 3 years. And it has got all of the ingredients mentioned here, which I'll be talking about soon. And it says gentle, simple, effective pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA, BHA, suitable for all skin types and dermatologist tested. Wish list: healthy glow, retexturizing, brightening, even skin tone. This is what the brand claims for on the packaging itself, and I think that is it. And they have also mentioned the directions of how to use that, which I'm going to be showing you soon. Now about the inner packaging, they have just mentioned Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, as I said, and they have just mentioned pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA, BHA. I think they are the key ingredients, and I'm going to talk about it in detail right now. Imported and distributed in India, the email ID, the CDSC or registration number, product name, Scrub Mini made in South Korea, and the net weight, price, manufacturing expiry date, imported date, and all of that is mentioned here. Now let's talk about the ingredients of the Wishful Scrub in detail. First ingredient, papaya fruit extract. Papaya fruit extract is known to smooth and increase the skin clarity, leaving a radiant glow on your skin. Second, pineapple fruit extract. It helps to gently exfoliate, soothe your skin, and reduce dark spots. Third one, BHAs and AHA. As we all know, BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid and AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid. Alpha hydroxy acid acts as a good chemical exfoliator for the top layer of your skin, not the topmost layer but the top 2-3 layers, and beta hydroxy acid goes 10 layers deep into your skin. It is a very strong chemical exfoliator. Beta hydroxy acid is also called salicylic acid, and AHA is also called glycolic acid. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce dark spots from your skin, and even out your skin texture and complexion. Last ingredient, cellulose. It's a soft and gentle exfoliant that evens your skin texture and complexion. Now how to use this Wishful Scrub? It says to use it 1 to 2 times a week, and they say you can use it twice a week, but I would highly recommend please use once a week only, considering the active ingredients present in this scrub. it has got salicylic acid and AHAs, and AHA you can also use twice a week, but not BHAs, because they are very powerful ingredients, and this one contains all the powerful ingredients in it. So I would recommend use it once a week only. Now let's see the application of the scrub on how to use it on your skin. So let me begin by showing you the application process. This is the tube of the Wishful scrub. You roll open the cap, and I'm gonna take about this much. Before you apply, make sure your face is clean and dry. I mean, you can just wash your face before applying and pat it dry, and I'll start massaging in circular motions. So the particles that are coming here are not dry skin at all. These are the cellulose particles present as an ingredient in the scrub. So now that the scrub has finally absorbed into my skin and everything is just utilized on my skin, I'm just going to wash it with lukewarm water and I'll be back. I have washed my face with lukewarm water and I'm going to pat dry. Just don't start rubbing your face, just pat it. And I'm not sure, but you can actually notice a difference in my face. It's glowy, it's much brighter than it was. I'm sure that you must be wondering, you don't see a difference instantly. Yeah, you see a tad bit of difference instantly, and then after 2 days or after 3 days that any chemical exfoliating scrub would take to work on your skin, after 2 or 3 days you will see a visible difference. And I have been seeing that since 3-4 weeks right now. This is my 4th use of Wishful scrub, and you will notice a difference. So we have seen the application of the scrub. I'm going to show you how it helped my skin in 3 uses and what all changes I felt. So few things that I noticed in my skin, I'm going to tell you. I don't know how much you have noticed in the pictures, but I break out at least 3 to 4 times in a month, okay? Be it the monthly due to the cycles and all of that. During cycles, I really get at least 1 pimple, and this is the one that I got recently. Now since a month, I haven't broken out, and this is just 1 month review I'm talking about. I don't know if this will stay the same for the upcoming weeks and all of that. But since a month I did not break out, okay, and that's a very huge thing considering I get 1 pimple at least once a week. Even though I use so many things in my skincare routine, I still break out. You can't help acne, you cannot stop acne, you cannot stop yourself from breaking out. There must be, and there can be 500 reasons where you can break out. And this is a this is a pimple that I got, which is just for my period cycle, and I'm sure this won't leave a huge scar like this one. Like the ones that I used to get, those pimples I have stopped getting, which would leave you huge, which would leave deep dark scars, and it takes about months to fade away. But I think this one has faded away pretty well, considering I got this when I just started using the scrub, and it went down in a week or 2, and I think it's still going down. I mean, scars are not very easy to go away, but I think this has done a very good job. The best part is I did not break out after using this, and 1 pimple a month, it's pretty understandable. It's your hormones, it's pollution, it's your food, it can be 50 other reasons which can be very understandable, but I don't want those acne to leave a scar on my face, which this does pretty well. I am going to stick to this Wishful scrub because it helped my skin in giving me a good glowy skin, good glowy radiant skin, brighter skin. I don't mean fair in terms of brighter, I mean bright as in glowy and more radiant. I mean, when you see your skin, you can feel it's shining and it's very glowy and all of that, you know. I mean, in those terms, I highly recommend Wishful scrub. Try with a smaller tub and then probably you can invest in a huge one, because this is not very cheap. It's 1850 rupees for the small 40 ml tube. I mean, it would last me about I guess 4 to 5 months and some 20-30 uses, but I'm sure it's not going to last more than that. But even if it goes 3-4 months, I'm pretty sorted and I'm pretty happy. So yeah guys, that was my short little review on Huda Beauty Wishful scrub. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Do not forget to hit the bell icon under this video to not miss any updates from my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.